Think chickens are just farmyard fluff? Guess again. They're living descendants of dinosaurs. Yep. The terrifying T-Rex is in your nugget. Fossils show birds evolved directly from theropod dinosaurs. Chickens are one of their closest modern relatives. That clucking bird? It's a mini raptor in disguise. Their legs and claws still resemble dino anatomy. Even their walk, it's got that predator strut. But here's the real kicker. Chickens still carry dinosaur DNA in their genes. Scientists have even reactivated ancient genes and grew a chicken with teeth in a lab. That's not evolution erasing the past, it's hiding it. Dinosaurs didn't all go extinct. Some just started laying eggs.